So you need to find the slope of the perpendicular line. So the slope of a perpendicular line is m equal to, you split 3/2, and then you put a different sign. So the slope of this line is 2/3, but you don't need the slope of this line. If it was a parallel line, yes. But it's a perpendicular line, you need to find the slope of a perpendicular line. So the slope of a perpendicular line is m equal -3/2. Are you done? No. Now you have the slope, you have the point, find the line. So we have m equal -3/2. Our x is equal to -2, and y is equal to 3 in this. So you know it's from this. So let's use y equal mx plus b to find b. Y is 3. M -3/2 times x -2 plus b. Is that right? Y equal mx plus b, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so doesn't seem right to me. Something is missing.
Yeah, is it because of the negative 9 and the other equation?
That's why that is the problem. The slope of the line to 2/3 y minus 9. Yeah, that's correct. Minus 9 over it's plus 9 over -2, which is -3. That is exactly what we have here. Okay. Okay, I don't seem to see where the problem is, and the point is passing through 2, and I got b equal to 0 here, but for some reason, -3/2 x. That's the equation of the line. But I don't think any of you find this. In my head, when I do the correction, if you have any issue with the correction where you find b equal to 0, let me know. Because in my head, I use the point -2 and -3. So if there's any credit that you need to get for that, please let me know. Yes, b can be equal to 0. Okay, and the last one, the easiest question ever in the economic test was to factor completely.
That was not easy.
Of course, that was the easiest question to make economic test.
Nice. Momentos of the
With no sign between the parentheses, because the factor is cannot have sign between the parentheses. That was easy. In less than 1 minute, you could have a lot of points. Anyone? Maybelline?
Huh?
If you want to do that, you can do it now. All right, so was it that hard, guys, not to get 40 points
Yes.
to boost your grade? Was that hard? So there is tutor available for you guys. Please go to tutoring.
Are there other kinds of offers?
Go to the tutoring center. I think it's MB44. Find out, what time they have available. This time the one I can do. This one is free tutoring. That means other students who are advancing math, that can help you. But you have, instructor, tutor, that, staff that are paid, who have the PhD, master's degree in mathematics, to help you. So it's up to you if you wanna take advantage of that. Also, for your project, we will talk about the project on Monday. Monday, the project, I will give you the project, and what I will want you to do is to form groups. So, you need to form 4 groups. The project is an individual project, but you can work on it as a group. But I expect everyone to come with different things. I mean, the math, the calculation will be the same, but the writing part should be different. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So, does anyone here have a phone? Who doesn't have a phone? Wow. When I was in school, if they asked this question, I would even raise my hand if they asked for a phone call. Yes. Okay, so what I could do today, if you want to do something over the weekend, okay, so you don't, that's fine. I'm not even thinking about that anymore. I would show you the project, and then you can take a picture of it and then start working on it, but that's fine. Monday, but you will have 3 weeks to cover it. So what you would do, as of now, I want you to go online, look for any newspaper, any article about the U.S. national debt. Any article, it may not be this time, but it could be in the archives of those journals or of the newspaper. Look for anything about the U.S. national debt, and I will tell you what to do before you arrive. Okay? So at least this, you can bring it to me on Monday.
So this is on Monday, right? The one was.
Yes. On top of that, we have a look at your wife well, because those people, they have to, they really write. Nicely. Okay. So that's that somehow. Okay, so let's see if I can take the attendance today. Let's proceed with with the quadratic equation. What's going on? Let me ask you guys, is there anyone here who can access the, tuition bill? The tuition bill online? You know how to do that? No. Okay. You don't even know what it is? Oh. Do you know how to do that?
Wait, hours?
Do you ever do it? Yes. Okay, when you have a break, can you, if you want, if you don't mind, I would love to see, the format of the bill, if you don't mind.
I would like to do it, but I didn't bring my laptop. Because I don't remember my password.
Oh, okay.
Everything is in my laptop. I don't know any password.
Got you.
Everything is in my laptop.
Everything's already logged in.
That's the way we live in.
I don't know.
No, that's the way we live in, yeah. That's true. So suppose you have to solve by factoring. Anyone else who can do that? No? No. So I have to go to the best of it. 2x plus 1. Suppose you have something like that to solve.
This is Jimmy's birthday.
Yes, you're right. They say solve by factoring. Solve means you're solving for x. But you have to factor. And how do we do it? I mean, you cannot just do anything besides, distributing here. So you're gonna have 10x squared, okay, plus 5x equal minus 6x minus 3. At this point in the class, I think you should be confident enough to be able to move things, on the other side. So whenever you're moving things on the other side, what happens? They change sign, yes. You got minus 6 become positive 6x, and minus 3 positive 3. Because that's the same thing you will have when you add minus 6, when you add plus 6 on both sides, you're going to eliminate this minus 6, but you're going to have a plus 6 here. You're going to add plus 3 on both sides, you're going to eliminate this 3, but you're going to have a plus 3 on the other side. That's what it equals 0. So now we have 10x squared plus 11x plus 3 equals 0. And how do we solve that? 10 times 3 is 30. Two numbers that multiply to 30 and add up to 11. That's the easiest one you can get. 6 and 5. You can't miss those two. 6 and 5.
Yeah, this.
6 times 5, 30. 6 plus 5, 11. You don't even have to do any words of stuff. So here you have 10x squared. Which one are we going to put first? The 6 or the 5? It doesn't matter, but which one you think is better to put first here? I will put 5 first, because I can just take the 10 and 5 and the 6 and the 3. Because I realize, they are factors of each other. You don't have to do that. You wouldn't believe that. You just missed me by a few seconds. If you had to stay outside, I would have missed you.
Really?
Too bad. All right, so, yes. 6 and 5. But it doesn't matter. You can put 6, you can put 5, whichever one you want. But for me, when I do those things, what I usually do, I just, put whatever I can group together so I don't have to go in an exact step. So plus 5x plus 6x plus 3 equals 0. And I can put those two. What if I put the 6x and group 10 and 6 and 5 and 3? You would have gotten the same answer. So that would be 10x squared plus 5x plus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So now, what is the greatest common factor here? 5x. And look at 5x outside. What is left here? Here, what is left? What is left here? What is it like? 2x. And here?
Plus 1.
1. And then, the other one, what is the greatest common factor? 3. 6x divided by 3, what is left? 2x. And 3 divided by 3, 1. All is equal to 0. So now you have 2x plus 1 times 5x plus 3 equal to 0. That's the factoring part. And the solving part, now you have a multiplied by b equal to 0. Either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So you have 2x plus 1 equal to 0 or 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x is equal, you move 1 on the other side, becomes negative 1. And x is equal to negative 1 over 2. And here you have 5x, you move 3 on the other side, equals negative 3. And then x is equal to negative 3 over 5. So the solution set, or the solutions are x equals 1, negative 1 over 2, and x equals negative 3 over 5. Yeah. You don't have your coffee today, yeah? Oh, that's right. Marlon, I can see your hand.
Yes.
All right. Maria Melina. Bellamy Imani.
Yes.
Calderon Javier. Cooksman.
What?
Cullen William.
Oh, there's
Cool
one.
Brown. Ryan. Gonzalez Karen.
Here.
Jackson Imani.
What about the brain?
Katie Jessica. Marty. Sheila.
Oh. Sheila.
Martinez.
Here.
Jasmine. Dania. Should I exclude Paul? And Perez one.
Here.
Salaman Paula. Salcedo Hennessy.
Here.
And Sotabe. Here. Don't go anywhere again.
What?
We're gonna open, don't go.
How is that open out?
All right, so. Okay, what's the difference between those two?
It's a -8.
So, what is the difference here?
You can already solve.
I can,
You can already,
I can solve this one, but this one I have to distribute because of the -8. You see the difference? So this one you have c plus 1 and c minus I equals 0. That means c plus 1 equals 0, which means c equals -1. C minus 5 equals 0. That means c equals 5. So the solutions are
C -1 and
c equal -1 and c equal 5. I would say not and it's one, all of them, because whichever one works. But for this one, it's different. So you need to distribute, and c plus 1, c minus 5 is equal to what? It's c squared minus 4c, and then
Maybe plus 5.
minus 5.
Yeah.
So, but let's look. C plus 1, c minus 5. It's c squared, c times 1 plus c, minus 5 times c, minus 5c,
Yeah.
minus 5 times 1, minus 5. So the answer for this one is c squared minus 4c minus 5.
Oh, they said 40. I was like, what? I thought I might using other letters. I don't know.
So it is c squared minus 4c minus 5 is equal minus 8.
So that's the final answer.
No, that's not the final answer. That's just the beginning. So now you have to move -8 on the other side. So,
So that's 8 or at 8.
yeah, but we don't do that anymore. We are good enough now. Again, 2 squared minus 4c minus 5, and we move -8 to the other side. That becomes +8 equal to 0. So you have c squared minus 4c and -5 and 8. So we're gonna have 3 here. Equals 0. Now, what are two numbers? When you multiply them, that will give you 3, and when you add them, that will give you -4. Those two numbers are -3 and -1.
Yeah.
Because to have 3, there are many ways you can have 3. 1 and 3, or -1 times -3.
Mm-hmm.
And the second one is the one that will give you -4 when you add them all.
So,
If you add 1 and 3, that will give you +4. We don't have +4 here. So you're gonna have c squared minus c minus 3c plus 3 is equal to 0. That's the way you split the -4c into -c and minus 3c. And now we got c squared minus c plus, since I'm gonna need the minus sign here, I just put, okay, let's do it one step at a time. Minus 3c plus 3 equals 0. Here I got a minus, I got a plus. So I need to put the minus sign outside. C squared minus c minus 3c minus 3 equals 0. Now let's look for the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is c, and what is left is c minus 1. And here the greatest common factor is 3, and what is left is c minus 1 equals 0.
why is the alteration a negative array?
because I put the minus outside. The negative 3 becomes positive 3, and the positive 3 becomes negative 3. So those are the solutions for this. So those are the solutions for this. You see the difference? Because the quadratic equation will be showing stuff on so many different forms. So you need to be able to solve it in whichever form you have. For instance, we may have something like this. U squared equal to U. How do we solve that?
You know.
I don't see any motion. I got U squared. So you need to write it on the standard form, trying to get ax squared plus bx plus c. How do we do that? We move to U on the other side. So you have U squared minus 2U equals 0.
So you do this.
And now what can we do? Factor, yes. We got U as a factor. U squared divided by U, what is left? U. And minus 2U divided by U, what is left?
U.
2. So equals 0. So that A times B equals 0. Either the first one, A, is equal to 0, or U minus 2 equals to 0. That means U equal to 2. So the solutions are what about this easy one?
Oh, so you got a factor?
We're gonna factor again. So what is common here?
5.
5. And
5.
let's put it 5.
5.
No, it's not 5.
It's 5 and then it's 2 squared minus 3.
Let's put it.
No.
Give 1 second. It should be